Hello everyone, welcome you all on the Knowledge Pivot channel. This is part 14th of the GA question series of RRB NTPC 2021 exam. Dash is not a type of heat transfer. Diffusion is a type of heat transfer. Convection भी होता है, radiation. So reflection is not a type of heat transfer. It is the change in the direction of waves. International Women's Day is celebrated on Dash March every year. So it is celebrated on the 8th of March every year. Dash is used as a stabilizer in ice cream. So gelatin को use करते हैं as a stabilizer in ice cream. It gives softness and freshness to the ice cream. The major ingredient of the sweetened soft drink is, so the soft drink consists of the 90% of the carbonated water. Pakistani film industry is known as, so it is known as Lollywood. Which of the following state does not share a border with Myanmar? So the four states of India shares the border with Myanmar. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. So Assam does not share any border with Myanmar. Geographical indications, that is GI tag, is related to what? Having the unique geographic origin and evolution over centuries. So it is related to the products that have a unique geographical origin and evolution over centuries. Retinol is mainly related to, so it is related to vitamin A. Sleep apnea is related to what? While sleeping. So it is a sleep disorder that occurs when a person's breathing is interrupted during sleep, which leads to snoring. The boiling point of water is, so the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius or the 212 degree Fahrenheit. Windows 10 is a, so Windows 10 is an operating system. So example of a utility software is like antivirus, ब्राउजर आप गूगल है, और एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर का एग्जांपल होता है आपका MS वर्ड और MS एक्सेल. One of the technique which is used for desalination of seawater is, so it is distillation. It is a process of separating the components or the substances from the liquid mixture by using the selective boiling and condensation. Echocardiogram is related to, so it is related to Doppler effect. World Wetlands Day is celebrated every year on dash of February. So it is celebrated on the 2nd of February every year. Start menu in a standard personal computer is, so it is a set of options and commands. The process of reducing the milk fat globules size to allow them to stay evenly distributed in milk is called, so it is called homogenization. It is a process in which high pressure is given which forces the milk at a high velocity through a small orifice to break up the globules. Dash was the third Mughal emperor of India. So it is Akbar. First was Babur, second Humayun, third Akbar, fourth Jahangir, fifth Shahjahan, and sixth and the last one was Aurangzeb. Velocity of a car does not depend on, so it does not depend on the speedometer, because speedometer is a device which is used to measure the speed. The Colosseum, known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, is located in, so it is located in Rome, Italy. The ancient Indian legal document Manu Smriti was written in, so the Manu Smriti is written in Sanskrit, and it was translated into English by Sir William Jones. The astronomer who discovered the planet Pluto was, so he was Clyde Tombaugh. Kakori train robbery was organized by the Dash in 1925. So it was organized by Acharya Hindustan Republican Association. Golconda Fort was built during which dynasty? So it was built during the Qutub Shahi dynasty. The provisional autonomy was provided by, so it was provided by the Government of India Act 1935. Which one reveals more appropriately the functioning of the heart? So it was done by electrocardiogram. Electrocardiogram is the graphic representation of the heartbeats. orbital period of Halley's comet is, so it is about 75 to 76 years. Which one is not the cause of kidney stone formation? So drinking more water is not the cause of kidney stone formation. The annual financial statement prepared under the Article 112 of the Indian Constitution is called, so it is called Union Budget. Actually, the Union Budget is also known as the annual financial statement. Charles Wilkinson's English version of Bhagavad Gita was first published in the year, so it was published in the year 1785. Any online demo is, it is a non-interactive presentation. The game of football is also referred to as, so it is also known as soccer. As per historical astronomy, there are dash number of zodiac divisions, so it is 12. Thank you all. Like and subscribe my channel to get the latest update about the new videos which will definitely help you in your preparation.